Hey teachers, let's play Math Bingo. As you can see on the screen, there are tons of different Math Bingo activities ranging from 4th grade math, 6th grade math, all the way up to Algebra 1. Here's how all of them work. For this demo video, I'll be using the multiplication of two whole numbers as the sample video. This activity was made in Google Slides and is easy to use. There is no prep work required for you. The game is ready to be played with your class. Before you can play the game, the instructions are pretty simple for your students. All they need is a paper and a pen, and they also need a pencil when they do their math problems. As you can see on the screen here, students just take a blank piece of paper, they draw it into a 4x4 board. If you want, you can make it 5x5, but I personally think 4x4 works better. So that way they have 16 squares. They will then fill those 16 squares with the answers that you see on the board here. These are the answers to the problems that will appear in the game. So the students will have the answers, but they don't know the equations. Once your students fill up the bingo board with the answers that they chose in any of the squares that they picked, it is time to play the game. Once you are ready to play, click the screen, and the first bingo ball will be released. An equation will pop out on the screen with the bingo ball that's released. Students will solve the equations on their paper. This is why they need a pencil as well, in case they make mistakes. Students then check their bingo boards to see if they have the answer, and of course if they do, they can mark their bingo board accordingly. That is how this game works. Once your students are ready, you click the screen, and the next bingo ball appears, and you follow the same procedure. Students will solve the problems and check their bingo boards. Of course, however you want to play bingo is up to you. If you want to play the standard bingo, corner bingo, it's totally your call. Feel free to add in your own ideas and have fun with it. Just so you know, these Google Slides resources are completely editable, so if you did want to change the equations, you can certainly do that. Full instructions are included in the activity. It's an easy, fun lesson to do with your class. I highly encourage you to try these out and have a ton of fun playing Math Bingo with your students.